Hey guys, I recently colored my hair. I have a previous video on that. I'm blonde and all the details will be linked above and below. I think I kind of like it. It's growing on me. Today I'm going to do a twist out, but before that I want to show y'all my oil. And this is my little baby, my concoction. I'm really proud of it. It's really helping my hair. I have a bald spot that I've been keeping a secret from y'all since like high school, so over 20 years. And this oil within 2 weeks is really helping my bald spot to grow in. And I really thought that my follicles were completely gone. I'm applying the oil. I do this about 2 to 3 times a week. You really shouldn't touch the applicator tip to your head, but sometimes my hand slips and I do that anyway. So do as I say, not as I do. I apply it mainly to my edges because those are my trouble areas, especially after postpartum shedding happened, but I do apply it throughout my scalp as well. Girl, after listening to that last clip, I don't know why I felt the need to say all that in one breath, but if you need to hear it again, just rewind and review. We're going to get into this twist out real soon. For the longest time, I always thought that I had to use really thick and heavy leave-in creams, and lately I've been using more liquid-based leave-in treatments, and so I'm right now using the Lot of Body 5-in-1 leave-in treatment, and I like it so far. I'm sectioning my hair so that I can apply my leave-in and my cream right now. The leave-in I've already applied, and I'm using Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture as my cream. I'm starting by applying the cream to my ends and then the outer parts of this section, but it's really important to break that section up and apply the product throughout the entire section. I'm also allowing the slip in this product to help me go ahead and finger detangle my hair before applying the oil and using a tool to further detangle it. Once my hair is completely detangled, I twist that section up and then follow the same steps throughout the rest of my hair. I'm done with all 5 sections. I have 2 in the back, 1 at the top of my head, and then 1 on either side. So there's a total of 5 sections of my hair. And y'all, I don't know what I'm watching, but it must be really good because I couldn't use a lot of the footage because I was looking down, not even paying attention to the fact that I was recording. But I just showed you that I'm using my Eco Styler gel. This is the one with argan oil. I re-dampen my hair a little bit with water. Make sure all the tangles are out, and then I'm going to be doing a flat twist. I prefer not to go to sleep with soaking wet hair, so I am using a t-shirt to try to drain some of the extra product and water out of my head. This is a few days later. I'm applying more of my Joyfully Natural oil onto my hair. I wanted to give y'all a quick back view, and I think I had about 12 twists in my head. I am dampening my edges so that I can lay them down with my Eco Style gel. While I'm letting my hair set, I'm applying olive oil to my fingers, and then I'm going to apply that to my hair so that I can unravel the twist. Whoops, let's try that again. Much better. Now that her hair is done, I'm gonna get my hair together. Right here, my hair was looking pretty frizzy, and this was the first twist that I did after coloring my hair, so I was kind of afraid that it was going to be a frizzy mess, but it actually came out pretty cute. Again, if you want to see exactly how I got this color, be sure to click on the link below. Make sure you thumbs up and subscribe. This picture is from a couple days later where I had stretched my hair a little bit with the pineapple. Let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope it helped some of you out. Bye!